Most business owners think that giving more value and giving more advice is going to get them more clients, but that belief is actually what's holding them back from getting more clients. By the end of this video, you're going to walk away with a clear framework that's going to allow you to make content that is directly going to sign clients. And I know that this is going to work for you because I used to make valuable content as well. But then when I shifted my content style and actually implemented this framework into my content, I actually saw way better results. I got way more inbound DMs into my inbox, and that's exactly what we're going to do here. You've been told the same thing over and over again: to add more value, to share more insights, to post more, and to be helpful. And you know what happens when you do that? You get likes, you get shares, you get lots of views, and you get comments that's saying, oh, this is helpful advice, or this is awesome advice. But no one actually buys from you or takes that next step. And that's why your calendar looks completely empty. The truth is, high-paying clients don't buy advice. They buy clarity, they buy confidence, they buy the person who can clearly articulate and understand their problem a lot better than they do themselves. Think about a doctor, for example. You don't trust the doctor just because he's giving you a list of exercises to do to fix your knee. You trust a doctor because you know that he's worked with people who have faced the same problem that you're facing over and over again. And he knows and understands your problem better than you understand it yourself, and that's exactly why you trust him. He gives you clarity and explains in simple terms so that you can understand exactly what's wrong and why it's happening and how to solve it. So building a personal brand and making content and using content creation and personal branding to generate leads, to generate clients for your business is the exact same way. And when I stopped just becoming a vessel to all of this information and all this great valuable insights and advice, I started to actually shift people's belief and actually give them a reason to listen to me. And that was the one shift that I made. It's about taking their current belief, flipping it, and inserting a new belief, and framing your reasoning and your method around why they should believe you for your new belief as the next step, as the solution to their problem. Everybody who consumes your content has a problem. It's your job to make them realize that they actually have that problem and give them a clear route on why they should take the next step into solving the problem that you can solve for them. All of my content used to be all about giving insights and advice, and honestly, like, it did numbers. It made my personal brand what it is. But that content didn't necessarily convert into clients, and the content that actually got me deals signed, the content that actually converted into so many leads into my inbox, was content that actually shifted people's belief and content that gave people a clear one direction to go. And this type of content is the exact method that you need to be using regardless of how many followers or likes and views that you get, because at the end of the day, when you really think about what makes somebody make a buying decision, they have to have proof that you can help them. They also have to have their belief system shifted. They need to have their perspective completely changed, and that's what's going to allow you to build authority, because if you can shift someone's perspective, they're instantly going to look at you as the authority. They're instantly going to go to you for advice. That's why you can't give advice. You give advice after you've shifted their perspective, but you haven't shifted anyone's perspective yet, so it doesn't make sense for you to just give advice and give tips and tricks yet. Yes, that content is great, but you can only do that after you've shifted someone's perspective and actually given them a reason to listen to you. Because when they have a new perspective, when they see you as someone who has a new point of view, they instantly see you as an authority, and subconsciously they start to trust you. And that's exactly what you need in order to get people to buy from you. When you understand how to shift people's belief, you're instantly going to be able to just make content that gets people to make that next step instantly. And you don't have to go viral, you don't have to have crazy amount of views, you just need to consistently post every single day. I'm not saying you have to post multiple times a day. I'm saying that if you want to do this fast, post every day so that you can find the most amount of volume so that you can see what content style works best for you, because there's so many different ways of talking to the camera that might work best for you, might work better for another person. But just understand this framework. It's very simple. Call out their current belief. Insert a new belief. Give them a reason to listen to you for the remainder of the video, and give them one clear step exactly where to go next to solve that problem that they're facing. So let's think about an example in real time here. If I was a doctor and I was making content about how athletes are always injuring their knees, and people think that it's because that they don't stretch, well, I'd make a piece of content like this. The reason why you have consistent knee problems and you're not able to perform at your best level as a basketball player is not because you're not stretching, it's because you don't implement this one workout into your routine. This is the exact same workout that LeBron James uses, and this guy is way over 40 years old by now, or I don't even know how old he is, but if he's using it, you should too. It's called eccentric training. It's about training your body to absorb the weight that you actually hold and the force that you can put into the ground so that you have stronger muscles to actually absorb impact. And this is something something that 99% of athletes completely neglect. Comment the word knee and I'll send you the entire workout completely for free. Now that piece of content is going to do numbers because number one, I called out their belief, I inserted a new belief, I gave them a reason to listen to me by showing authority and showing credibility and proof of LeBron James. Obviously they're going to listen if a professional athlete, one of the greatest basketball players on time, if not the GOAT, has used that method, and gave them a clear next step, exactly giving them a clear solution basically. That's as a CTA, and that's a lead magnet. And then from there, you already know how this works. They go into ManyChat, they comment the word, it puts them into the ManyChat funnel, and then your setters take over the conversation and qualify from there. If you think of content creation as a funnel in itself, each video is a funnel. The longer that people can sit through the entire thing, the more qualified they're going to be. So when you have all these frameworks in there, usually videos like this take about a minute long to watch. And if someone's going to sit there for a minute, go through the entire video, comment the keyword, go through the entire lead magnet or whatever you're giving them for free, and they're in the ManyChat funnel and they're talking to your setter, this is an absolute no-brainer for them to be a qualified lead on a sales call. All you gotta do is collect cash. That's all that this is. Every video you make should be a funnel. You shouldn't just be posting random content without giving people a reason to listen to you, and actually without having authority by changing someone's perspective. So if there's one thing that you should take away from this video, it's about that you need to change someone's perspective in order to get them to trust you and to see you as an authority. And that's exactly how I would do it if I was a fitness creator or whatever. But this framework can be applied to any type of niche. It doesn't matter what it is. You have to call out your ICP's current problems, whatever they're facing, insert a new belief is as to why their normal way of living is not the best way to do it and that your method is the best. Explain why they should listen to you, provide context, use analogies, use storytelling, give people examples and reasoning to listen to you all the way until the end, where you give that clear next step in your call to action that gives them a lead magnet, for example, or gives them the next step to book onto a call. And then you just start the qualification process from there. You can have a ManyChat funnel, you can have a complete automated ManyChat funnel that does the entire thing for you, so that the ManyChat just qualifies people automatically. But I would recommend that you get a human setter, a real person to actually text people in there and to manage all of your DMs, so that you could just focus on sales calls and then you can just get on the line with people who are actually qualified and ready to buy your product or service. Now, if you want help applying these frameworks and applying this content strategy into your personal brand, into your business, and you're doing it all by yourself, I don't know what the heck you're doing, because if you're doing this all by yourself, you probably don't have a life, you probably don't have enough time to actually make content consistently because you just don't have a system. Clearly, if you're doing everything by yourself, I don't care how good your SOPs are, I don't care how well you block out your day, you just don't have a system because you need a team to build a business. And if you feel like you've been struggling with time allocation and actually finding the right talent and finding people who can help you build this personal brand so that you can generate more clients, more high-paying clients consistently month over month, click the first link below and follow the next steps, and then eventually it's going to lead you to an application form where you can apply to work with myself and my team one-to-one. I'll sit down with you and find all the hidden bottlenecks within your business and look how we can buy back more of your time so that you can spend more time working on the business instead of working inside the business. And this is only for business owners who are looking to buy back their time and just build a personal brand that operates while they're sleeping and generates leads organically for them without using any paid ads. If you run ads, if you want to do cold outreach, or if you like the way that you're doing things already and you like the time that you're putting into things, by all means, that's fine. This is specifically for people who are looking to sign more high-paying clients consistently using a personal brand that builds trust so that you don't even have to fight people for leads. People are just going to come to you. Your leads, the people who you want to talk to, the people who are meant to work with you are going to find you if you implement this content strategy and actually call them out and implement everything that we set out to do. If you make it to the end of that form, I'll personally reach out to you to schedule a one-to-one free consultation. Again, this is a call just to get clarity, regardless if we work together or not. My job here is to just give you a clear direction on what your next step should be and what the roadmap to success looks like specifically for you. At the end of the day, I'm just happy to help, and if I can be a small part of your personal brand in your journey and give you a piece of advice, like this video is talking about advice, if I can give you a small insight or something that will affect your personal brand in a positive way, that's everything to me. But if you made it all the way up until this point, let me know if this information was helpful or if it wasn't. But either way, thank you for watching and stay locked in, my friend.